Are you excited to start programming in Python, which is one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly programming language? So whether you are building web apps, automating tasks, or diving deep into data science, Python is a must-have skill. So in today's tutorial, we are going to install Python on Windows 11. First, we are going to understand what is Python and why to use it. Then, we are going to understand the requirements needed to install Python. And finally, we are going to install Python. Now, before we move on, just a quick info, guys. Simplilearn has got Data Analyst Master's program. You can earn a recognized Data Analyst certification to boost your career. You'll get hands-on experience with the latest tools and you can work on real-world projects. You will also earn IBM certificates and benefit from Masterclasses by IBM experts. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. Now here's a short quiz to test your knowledge. Which of the following are object-oriented programming language? And your options are A, B, C, or D. Now before we move ahead to the session, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So let's get started. So guys, let us try to install Python. So for this tutorial, I'm using Windows as operating system to install Python. Go to the official website of Python and you can see Python downloads will be there. Just click all over here and you will be directed to this URL. Now click on download Python install manager and you can see this is going to get downloaded. After this, click on all over here and let's maximize this. So guys, since I have already installed Python, so it's showing me reinstall Python, but for you, it is going to show install Python. So you have to click all over here. Since I won't be doing it, so I'll be directly launching my Python. Now you can see you're going to get some terminal like this. So you can click on yes and start it. But I won't be doing it because I have already installed Python. And the next step that you need to do is go to your given command prompt. And here you need to type Python-version. And you can see all over here, you're going to get the required Python version. Now guys, I hope so you have got a brief idea like how we have installed Python. Now let us try to run some of the given code in Python. Now for running the given Python code, I would suggest you to install PyCharm, which is an amazing IDE for the Python based projects. So go all over here and type PyCharm download. And this is powered by JetBrains. So all you can do all over here, click on download. So accept all, click on download and it is going to be downloaded for you. Very amazing IDE guys. Do try this out and let us know how do you feel about this IDE in the comment section. Now guys, let us create one folder all over here. Click this folder and let's say it's a Python folder. So Python demo you can type. Okay. Now open this folder and let us try to create one file. Let's go to new and create a file. And you can give this name as a hello.py. Okay. Now open this given file in the terminal. So now guys, after that, you need to type Python hello.py. So we have created hello world from the command prompt only. Now just click all over here and you are going to see a hello world written. Now this ensures that you have successfully installed Python and you have tested your first command. So guys, that was all for today's video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video on installing Python. If you feel any doubt in the installation process, please mention your comments and our team of experts will get back to you. And also guys, if you like these kind of videos, then do not forget to hit the notification bell icon such that you won't miss out any update from our end. Thank you guys for watching this video.